Hello students, welcome to BTech 360 and Career 360. A lot of students are asking us for, after the JOSA round 3 cutoff have been announced, they are asking us at a branch wise cutoff of what exactly is happening in round 3 as far as branch level cutoffs are concerned. So what I've shot already is the CSE and allied branches. What I'm about to show you is about electronics, electrical engineering and the cutoff that you have across all the IITs. And I'm going to compare 2025 what happened and 2026 what's happened, and also take you through what exactly it ended with in 2025 so that you know the kind of journey that you have when you're understanding your options and choices, right? And a lot of students also ask us whether they can talk to us and talk to a counselor and all. So what we did was we opened a helpline. This is the helpline number 8130376334, 8130376334. Send a message to us BTech and one of our counselors will call you and you can speak to the counselor also. And please do subscribe to BTech 360. It's also, by the way, we're creating a series of such videos to help students take better informed decisions, and for this we partnered with MIT University. So this information and guidance series that we're doing is presented by MIT University, one of the India's leading universities, also ranked in the top 3% globally by QS and THC also, right? Now let's take you through the data at this point in time. We talk of EC and electrical engineering, and we have the institute name, the branch, the highest closing cutoff of 2025 at the end of round 3. What is it in current year, and what did it end it at the end of round 6 last year. So these are what we're talking of, right? So let's start right now. I am IIT Bombay, BTech Electrical Engineering. Last year the cutoff was 420, end of round 3. This year it's 400. So it's become more competitive by 20 ranks. Last year it ended with 433. IIT Delhi, BTech Electrical Engineering. Last year it was 591. This year it's 593, a drop of 2, right? Which means it became that much more easy slightly. But it ended with 605 last year, end of round 6. IIT Delhi again, BTech Power and Automation, 806 was last year, 805 this year, a growth of 1 rank, and it ended with 823. IIT Madras, BTech Electrical Engineering, 769 last year, 742 this year. So it became that much more competitive by 27 ranks. That's quite a jump, right? It ended with 849 by the end of round 6 last year. IIT Kanpur, BTech Electrical Engineering, 1112 last year, 1151 this year. So it eased off by 39 ranks. It ended with 1146 last year. IIT Kharagpur, BTech Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering, 1454 last year, 1631 this year. A drop of 177 ranks. So whenever you actually create a new program, you actually have all the other branches also coming down. So for example, IIT Bombay creates anything with CS, data science or AI, you will actually see everything else falling to the extent because students gravitate towards that program, and that's what seems to be happening here, right? IIT Kharagpur, 177 ranks and ended with 1485 last year. IIT Roorkee, 1394 last year, end of round 3. This year it's 1537. So it eased off by 143 ranks and it ended with 1486 last year. IIT Guwahati, 1690 last year, 1932 this year, a massive drop of 242 ranks, ended with 1829. By the way, I've noticed that we earlier made a video on the kind of placements across all IITs, and what I noticed is wherever the placements are bad, the quality of students to that extent also is easing off, because people have now seen through the whole thing of which has better student outcomes, and students are gravitating towards that institute. And to that extent, like IIT Guwahati is one clear case, IIT Kharagpur also happened, IIT Roorkee is another one. So very clearly, students are seeing through the game of how the student outcomes are. IIT Hyderabad, BTech Electrical and it's 1811 last year, it's this year 1762. So it became more difficult because students see the placements here which are better than others, and ended with 1895. IIT Hyderabad again, BTech Electrical Engineering, 1781 last year, 1714 this year, again a growth of 67 ranks, ended with 1900 last year. IIT Kharagpur, BTech Electrical, now this also, Kharagpur also has faltered in terms of placement, and you can see that again here. Electrical, 1899 last year, this year it's 2121, so it became that much more easy for you to get into Kharagpur for this particular branch, and the same thing happened with CS also, by the way, right? And it drop of 223 ranks, which means it became that much more easier. It ended with 1985 last year. Already we're sitting on 2121, so you can safely assume about 2350, 2400 by the time it ends the journey. IIT Roorkee, BTech 2021 last year, 2190 this year. It became that much, 169 ranks is a drop that you saw, ended with 2091. IIT Guwahati again a laggard in terms of placements. BTech EEE 2066 last year, 2216 in the current year, a drop of 150 ranks, ended with 2195 at the end of round 6 last year. IIT BHU Varanasi, 2500 last year, 2727 in the current year, a drop of 227 ranks. IIT Varanasi again, BTech Electrical Engineering, 3493 last year, 3637 the current year, a drop of 144 ranks. IIT Indore, BTech Electrical Engineering, 3675 last year, 3123 current year, a growth of 552 ranks. Right, which means it became that much more competitive. IIT Gandhinagar, we're talking of round 3 cutoff by the way, comparing of 25 versus 26, and also by the time the round 6 ended, what was it last year, right? IIT Gandhinagar, BTech Electrical, 3826 last year, 3874 this year, a drop of 48 ranks. IIT Dhanbad, 5572 last year, 5616 this year, a drop of 44 ranks. IIT Bhubaneswar, BTech ECE, 5535 last year, 5832 this year, a drop of 297 ranks. IIT Mandi, BTech in Microelectronics and VLSI, 5952 last year, 5774 this year. It's a growth of 178, which means it became that much more difficult, which means very clearly semiconductor, is a big push for the country, and a lot of people are trying to get into microelectronics, VLSI and all, because chips, semiconductor, all those things work in tandem. So this course seems to be in demand, because of which anyone who's offering microelectronics and VLSI seems to be in greater demand, and that you can see it here. Right, 6166, but then they finished it. IIT Patna, BTech ECE, 5678 last year, 5742 the current year, a drop of 64 ranks. IIT Jodhpur, BTech Electronics, 5637 last year, 5654 the current year, a drop of 17 ranks. IIT Ropar, BTech Electrical Engineering, 5714 last year, 6128 in the current year, a drop of 414 ranks. IIT Jodhpur again, BTech Electrical Engineering, 6342 last year, 6774 in the current year, a drop of 428 ranks, and ended with 6824. IIT Patna, BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering, 6577 last year, 6937 in the current year, a drop of 360 ranks, ended with 7502 last year. Right, so this time it might end with 8000 rank also. IIT Mandi, BTech Electrical, 6502 last year, 7130 this year, a drop of 628 ranks, ended with 7590. This year it will end with 8000 plus. IIT Dhanbad, BTech Electrical Engineering, 7016 last year, 7383 current year, drop of 367 ranks. Again, this will also end with about 8000 because last year it ended with 7603. IIT Bhubaneswar, BTech Electrical, 7381 last year, 7650 this year, drop of 269 ranks, ended with 8165 last year. This year it should be about 8500. IIT Tirupati, BTech Electrical, 8163 last year, 8860 the current year, a drop of 697 ranks. Based on this, it will end with 10,000 plus. IIT Dharwad, BTech ECE, 8380 last year, 9147 in the current year, a drop of 767 ranks. So this also, last year ended with 9476, this year it will end with 10,000 plus. IIT Bhilai, BTech ECE, 8536 last year, 9267 in the current year, a drop of 731 ranks. Right. Last year it ended with 9,668. This year it will end with about 10,200, 10,400. IIT Goa, BTech Electrical, 9291 last year, 9653 in the current year, drop of 362 ranks. IIT Palakkad, BTech Electrical, 9321 last year, 9746 this year, drop of 425 ranks. So this will end with about 10,800. IIT Dharwad, BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering, 9461 last year, 9745 this year, ended and drop of 284 ranks. So 11,300 is what you can expect. IIT Jammu, BTech Electrical Engineering, 9626 last year, 10,365 this year, a drop of 739 ranks. So this you can expect 12,000 plus. And IIT Bhilai, BTech Electrical Engineering, 10,383 last year, 10,509 this year, a drop of 126 ranks. And last year it ended with 11,592. This year it was 11,700. Now this is the data for only electrical and electronics, what I showed you. We've already done for CSE. We'll keep doing branches as we move along for NITs, GFTS and everything else. So please keep watching us. Please do subscribe to BTech 360. If you want to talk to any one of our counselors, this is the number 8130376334. Type BTech. And one of our counselors will call you, a BTech counselor will call you, understand your problem and try to solve that for you. Do subscribe to BTech 360. And I must thank the university partner, MIT University, because this entire information that we created, the guidance and information series that we're creating is presented by MIT University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. Thank you so much.